And then we have Q and Kyo. And then Sha, Shu, Sho, Cha, Chu, Sho. Good. 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 So does everybody kind of get now a sense of how that's working? Do you see where we got to the end there and we suddenly had the 2 dash and 1 circle or contracted sounds? Does everybody see how it works, or is it confusing? Who's confused by this now? Show of hands. Anybody? Nobody's confused? If you're confused, it's okay. You could just say, I'm confused. Nobody. Good. Excellent. That means that you are actually reading Japanese. You're reading, you're reading Kana. Now, of course, you are probably reading the ABC version of that there, because you haven't memorized these yet. But you're at least pronouncing Japanese Kana. And what you want to do is you want to get to the point where you're no longer looking at ABCs next to the Kana here. You're no longer getting these Roman character pronunciation guides. Now, in Japanese, there is a writing system called Romaji. And Romaji is, and the literal meaning is Roman characters. It's the use of ABCs to transliterate Japanese words. Do not use Romaji. If you find a textbook that uses Romaji, throw it away, because it will do you absolutely zero no. That's redundant. It'll do.
It doesn't help.
It's garbage. If they try to sell you that, except for maybe your first 2 or 3 days in a class, like we did here, then it's okay. But if you've studied in a Japanese class for more than a week and they're still giving you Romaji and they're just giving you vocabulary that's Romanized, you're wasting your time, because you will never learn the writing system that way. And when you get to Japan, you will find almost no Romaji anywhere. It's very, very unusual. Outside of train stations, where the train station names will be written, Tokyo will be written as Tokyo, but outside of that, you're not going to find it. Street signs and train stations, and that's about it. Shop names won't, well, McDonald's will be written in as McDonald's, but it won't be Romanized as Mac. It'll be written in the proper English spelling. Romaji is going to be, it's going to be really confusing looking at it anyway if you start seeing Japanese words written out really long, or especially words that are of foreign origin but of Japanese pronunciation. So don't mess with the Romaji textbook.